Hey guys, it's Special Juice here. Today I have a 2012 Honda Pilot that we're going to be installing the VCM Tuner II VCM Muzzle. Basically, it's going to help the engine run a lot more smoothly, barely increase miles per gallon, but it will increase it a little bit. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do. It's super easy. The link for this will be in the description below, and I'll be showing you how to do that within the next 5 minutes of this video. That's my goal, 5 minutes. All in all, this will help the engine run a lot more smoother. It'll be safer for the engine. Basically, right now, the VCM, what it does is it shuts off 3, sometimes 4 of the cylinders in your V6, therefore, over time, causing a lot of trouble, oil consumption, oil burning, and a lot of issues that you don't want to deal with. So, for the low price of under $150, somewhere around that range, you can solve that issue, and your engine will run a lot better. So first things first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these 2 pieces here that'll let us reach the battery right below there, and we're going to get started. So I just use a small flathead to get underneath, reach under there, pull up, reach under there, pull up. These will then come loose. We will put these to the side. Got my little helper here, she's knocked out. Let's go ahead and lift this up once you're all done. Just like that. Move that to the side. And the same thing for this engine cover. There's just 2 things you need to do. Just loosen these 2 bolts on each side. Just twist them to the left. Same thing on there. And it pops right out. You can move this bad boy right out of the way. Now, next thing you're going to do is look for this connection. That is what we're going to be removing. I'm going to reach under, grab the clips on one of the sides, and pull up. All right, so I was able to reach it with my left hand. Again, that connection right there, pull up, and this is what we're going to be bypassing using this kit here. So basically, this piece will stick right into where this goes right here, and we have a tool in order to secure it in place that I will show you in just a bit. This is the fuse that comes with it, just in case. This red and black wire will plug into the factory harness. This blue and green wire will connect right back into the manifold sensor. All right, so it took some struggle, but I sort of routed it right behind here underneath this whole harness. So therefore what you have left are these 2 connections. So what I'm going to do from here is again plug the black and red wire into this harness, which I will do right now. Red and black into factory harness. Make sure it clicks. Then this side, which is the blue and green, right back into that factory slot. This is only easy if you have small hands, which luckily I do have, but it seems like I'm still struggling a bit, but just made it. There we go. Make sure it clicks in. All right, so now that we're fully plugged in, I have this bracket connected onto the battery. Just going to use this that was included with the kit and just tighten it right up so it secures in place. Last but not least, we need to connect this end here to our 12-volt terminal, which is located right under there. Just need to remove that with the 10mm. Put this underneath the nut, close it up, and you're all set. Now that it's loosened, just go ahead and connect this just like so. Close it up, and you're good to go. Now that we're all connected, good to go. Double check your connections, make sure everything's tight. It seems like it's not going anywhere. That's fully plugged in. You want to wrap this all together with the little Velcro it comes with, just to secure everything into place. Then we're going to take it for a drive. Once it warms up, we should not see the eco light come up. All right, so I wrapped it up so nothing's really touching the engine. Make sure everything's fully plugged in. Put back the boxes. Let's go for a ride. All right, so we are now in the car. Everything is closed up, good to go. Turned it on, gonna let it warm up for a bit. But as you can see, no check engine light. It's very important that you wait half an hour once you unlock the car, open up the hood, in order for all the electronics not to keep checking itself and cause a check engine light to come up. But so far, so good. I waited the half an hour, did the whole install. We're gonna take it for a little drive, and we should not see that eco light come on whatsoever. All right, we're just about a minute in. Still nothing, good to go. Car feels good. Overall, this should stop the V6 from turning into a 3-cylinder while you're driving in that eco mode. So it should run like a V6 should, like a V6. This overall will stop carbon buildup in the valves, as well as the cylinders. I just don't like the idea of engines switching their compression or whatever is going on with the variable timing on this thing. I don't like it. Don't like the way it ran before. You could feel it shudder a little bit, and apparently this gets rid of everything. So let's see how she rides. One thing I have noticed, when I let go of the throttle, the eco mode does not turn on, which is exactly what we want. But we have to let this get up to temperature, because this will start from factory at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. We'll start turning it into that eco mode and shutting off the valves and cylinders. But so far so good. From what I understand, this unit basically tricks the ECU into thinking that the car isn't fully up to temperature yet, so therefore it won't shut off those cylinders. Honda made that in order for you to save some fuel over time, but I think it's just unnecessary wear and tear on the engine over time. There was a class action lawsuit, I believe in 2013, regarding this issue, because it did create some issues over time. Don't want your engine to fail. It should run how it should. It's a Honda. More technology there is, the more issues there are. So let's keep it nice and simple. Keep this running like a V6. All right, so 10 minutes in. Looks like that is not moving further than that bar right there on the coolant temperature. And no eco light whatsoever. So I think we are in business. So far, I feel no more shudder from when I let go of the gas and then press back on the gas. No eco light coming on. Feels good. A lot of people say that there's a major difference that they feel. I don't feel a major difference, but I definitely feel the difference. And I now know that my V6 and my Honda Pilot will last me forever. I only have 85,000 miles on it, and I plan to run it to the ground. It's perfect for the little one. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it down below under the video. There will be a link to this in the description below as well, in case you guys want. This one specifically that I installed was the VCM Tuner II. That is meant for the ones with the VTEC V6s. I did email them to specify or ask them which one is perfect for my car. They recommended this one. This one does not need any manual tuning whatsoever. It adjusts itself throughout the year with that little box that it came with. There's other options that are cheaper out there, but this one's made by an engineer out in California and American made. So seems like the best route to go, rather than some piece made in China that isn't warranted. So highly recommend this product so far, and I hope you guys have a good one. See you in the next video. Peace.